What's up, legends? Welcome back to Pipz and Bitz, where charts talk and coins move. Today we're breaking down a move so big it should have crashed the market, but it didn't. Galaxy Digital just sold $9 billion worth of Bitcoin, and the price barely moved. Let's talk about what happened and why it actually proves Bitcoin is stronger than ever. Here's the story. On July 29th, Galaxy Digital managed a massive sale of 80,000 BTC, worth nearly $9 billion at the time. Usually a sale this big would send shockwaves, but Bitcoin only dipped around 1%, holding steady near $119,000. No panic, no crash, just clean execution. So, what gives? Here's why the market didn't flinch. Reason 1. Institutional infrastructure. This wasn't some retail whale dumping on Binance. Galaxy likely used algorithmic trading, OTC desks, and matched buyers to absorb the supply quietly. Reason 2. Deeper liquidity. Thanks to spot Bitcoin ETFs like BlackRock and Fidelity, the market has become more liquid than ever. Reason 3. Smart execution. Rumors say this sale was matched with major institutional buyers, possibly governments, hedge funds, or even crypto treasuries. So, who sold the Bitcoin? Galaxy hasn't named the client, but many suspect it was a legacy whale or sovereign fund reallocating their portfolio. Even wilder, some think this sale could be tied to the US government's strategic Bitcoin reserve plan. What does this mean for us? It's a huge signal that Bitcoin's market is maturing. 10 years ago, this kind of sale would have nuked the charts. Today, barely a blip. It shows that crypto is more resilient, more stable, and ready for prime time. Here's what to watch next. 1. Will we see another whale move? 2. Are ETFs absorbing this much supply daily? 3. And how will the market react when the next big seller shows up? Also, the White House crypto report drops this week. That could mean even more policy momentum for Bitcoin and digital assets. Final thoughts. A $9 billion Bitcoin sale just happened, and Bitcoin barely budged. That's not weakness, that's strength. Crypto's growing up, and fast. Smash that like button if you're stacking sats. Subscribe to Pipz and Bitz, and drop me in the comments if you're watching the whales.